Hello. Okay, and one last thing. There we go. Should be all set up now. World of Code. Okay, so I actually want to look up something. Let's find some music. Uh, Hey, no, that isn't exactly what I'm looking for. Yeah. Okay, that's interesting. So you basically took two height maps and combined them. That could be a way of doing it. If this was how I did it, what would I do? Would it be height elevation? Hmm. I guess I could do something kind of like this. So... Oh, sorry if anyone has been chatting. I haven't opened my chat window yet. Oh, it doesn't seem like anyone has been typing, but I'm sorry if anyone has and I haven't seen it. There we go. Now the chat is open, so now you can type and I'll be able to see it. Alright, so I think I could do something kind of like this, but which two values would I need? So, can't really do height elevation. I could do moisture for sure. I can do... Does it have to be two actual things, even? I guess not actually. We can just try doing something with the... So yesterday we got the Perlin noise up and running, which we can see right here. If it wants to, that's why. There we go. So yesterday we got this up and running. You can just quickly do this, cleaning up my solution a bit. So if you just scale it up by like 100 by 100, should still be able to move around. Yes, I am indeed. But I actually want to just use the scene view, so I'm just gonna... There you go. Now I have my game over on the other screen, so it's not gonna bother me. Let's move this down here. Okay, so I think I didn't add... No, I didn't add seed or scale yet. So if you start with scale, that would then be like this, I think. If we actually just turn this into the update function. I hope this is not gonna be a problem right now. So wall generator, this, I still can't see this. Serialized field, and the same goes for this. Okay, so now if I scale it up, should be able to see change, but I am not able to see change. How come? That's because that doesn't really change anything unless I begin going in smaller. Yeah, now it definitely changed something. There you go, scale changes something. Okay, so that seems to be working now. Now I just need a C2. private void generate seed. So if seed is equal to -1, then it should generate a seed, and the seed should be random. That next, not random. So I actually want this to be an integer, or maybe actually u long would be a good value type. Except that I can't make that -1. I guess 0 will have to mean. There you go. So between u long minimum value, actually between 1 and u long max value. There you go. That will be a pretty random seed. So plus seed, and thing goes here. Oh, I have to set the seed equal to that. And now we should see the seed change, or what? Let's see if it makes a random seed now. Seems like it, except that made everything not work. So I guess if we cast this into a float before using it. Except now it's negative. Why would it be negative? Ah, because that is too big. So I have to just use a normal integer. -1 between 1 and, but it could also be 0 now. How's this redundant? Well, that's good to see, because then I don't need it. Okay, so something here is not right. -1. No, actually 0. Then it shouldn't generate a seed. Except it should. Now the seed part of it is completely out of the question. Yes, it is. Great. What if I change this to, and it'll just jump up randomly high. -1. So if we set this to -1, then it's gonna generate a random seed, yes. And then I'm not able to zoom out for some reason. Why am I not able to zoom out? Okay, Unity, Perlin noise. Let's see here what different stuff it does. So x divided by width times scale. That's what I currently have, and then plus some random value here, which is gonna be the seed. I honestly don't see the difference between these two. Maybe the seed is just too big. If you try saying 10,000 instead. Still doesn't work. If you set this to 0, still doesn't work. So something makes it stop working when the seed is above. No, it still doesn't work. Now that is weird. That is weird. Okay, so now it works. Okay, so now the seed is working. It's just because I added it in the wrong place then. -1. So now if I say -1 again, and if I say -1 again, okay. So now I might be able to say int.max value. -10 and -1. So I guess it is because that value is too big. So if I just say 1 million. Aha, out here it's pixelated. That is possibly why. So now I at least know the reason behind it. But what now? So what about 100,000? Is that fine? Yeah, that is fine. Right. I just want to try moving on this. Feels kinda weird. I actually might want to speed him up a bit, just because he feels kinda slow right now, but that might be because of the scale of the object he's walking on. Yeah, I don't know, I'll have to play around with his movement speed once I've added the actual map. But for now, actually in order to check out all of this stuff, I kinda wanna rotate the camera a bit, get it into place where I actually want it to be. So, align with view. So I guess 0, 10, -7, 60 and 0. Yeah, that seems about right. Maybe a bit far back actually. So if I just move it there, so that he's kind of in the back of the screen. There we go. Okay, so I want this to be zoomed out, at least for now. Just wanna try this. So he should definitely run a bit quicker, so like 15. Just because the animation isn't... Yeah, I guess that's better. But I do want to do one thing now. So this before his movement speed. So right now this is just the direction. Now I wanna do a vector 3 position change. Normalized. Debug that log. So I wanna lock his. There we go. And I guess that too. So now I should be able to see his movement speeds. It's completely fucked up. And I know why. Of course this is not gonna work. Oh no, I cannot do that then. I guess I could still technically take his movement speed. Hello, Ash Two Mouth. I'm pretty sure I've seen you before, haven't I? You're not on my follower list, so I don't know where I would have seen you. Unless you were here. Okay. Do you want a rundown of what I'm currently working on, or... I can tell you that basically right now I'm working on the map generation of my next game. So generate biome. Alright, no, I guess actually I wanna make this tile based at some point. Might as well do it now. Or what? Should I make a tile base straight away? Yeah, I guess I want to make the tiles now. So I want basically want a quad that's as minimalistic as it can possibly be. There's no mesh collider. Quad mesh and the mesh renderer is the only things that I want. And this should just have a very standard shader too. So I actually want this character to go a bit down. Like that, I think. Yeah. Now he's standing on top of the ground instead of hovering above it. So this is gonna fuck up this quad, I think. Nope, not even. So I want to make the tiles now. 100 by 100, I think. Let's say like 10% gray. No, 90% gray then. Just to get a slight border on them. For now. So if I now add a layer on top, which is this and invisible. Like this, it has a slight border. Not a lot, but it does have that little border. GitHub, world of code, assets. So I guess it's basic tile. Oh, that's a PDN. Should be a PNG. And I guess actually basic tile, named like that instead. Oh wait, that's supposed to have that layer either. There we go. So put this on that quad. But you know, that border is pretty much invisible. So if we do like this instead, and maybe a 75, all the way up. So 5 thick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basic tile again. There we go. So this could be the world at 0, 0, 0. So world generator. Scale of 10. So now there should be a transform instead. Okay, so generate seeds. Map. So for now, I just want to generate a 100 by 100 map. If map.transform is equal to null, then transform. Wait, if map is equal to null, then transform equals transform. And map equals transform. There we go. So, and then I also want to do serialized field, private, quad, no, game object. I guess actually. Driving from mono. X less than size. Y less than size. So, for every single one I want to instantiate, enable tile.game, tile pref, what? What is that one? Oh, it's because I'm still in the type. Tile prefab.game object dot, and the parent is this. Hello Sergio, welcome back to the stream. So I can also give it position, rotation, and parent. So position should be new vector 3 0 no x 0 y, and so what I'm doing right now, I'm making the tile system. I just got the whole height map rendering thing working. So now I'm gonna turn it from a texture and into some tiles that are gonna be on the ground for me to walk on. That's basically it. I don't have anything to show right now, but I can yeah, I can show you once I've got a working build. So now I'm instantiating this. I guess actually private void create tile with a vector 2 position. Wait, there we go. So that would be this, and then this should be position.x and position.y. But I actually want to store this in a tile so that I can modify some values. As tile. Nope, cannot do that. That get component tile. X plus position dot y plus actually no, like that. So then we have the name. Start by instantiating. So I wanna get the biome somehow. I guess I would want something inside the actual tile to be getting the biome and stuff. So I could actually do everything from inside the tile. So that when it has been generated, it basically automatically finds its correct biome and stuff. The only problem with that is I'm gonna have a lot of calls to get the seed. And then I would probably rather store the seed inside this and then just give the tile the height map to generate the biomes from. The problem with that is then if I want to somehow if I at some point want to make the biomes be loaded from a file, So if I ever want to load the biomes from the file, then I'll basically have to do it from this file either way, because otherwise I'm gonna have to, just like the seed, have too many calls back and forth. So I wanna here create the tile new vector 2 x y. So I guess I wanna do it here. Private void get Perlin noise. So math after Perlin noise. So this would return a float, I guess. Yeah, return. So x and y is the basic one, but I want to do some more stuff. First of all, I want to turn everything into a float. I want to say seed plus float. Vector 2 position. Did not realize I hadn't gotten this. Position dot, and then basically just divide by size times scale. So this should be it. So that's only the pearl noise. Now I want the int. So I guess biome, no, Perlin to biome. Oh, actually float to biome. And this would take in a float. Nice. So, yes, basically we're supposed to have a... So if noise is less than or equal to something, then return 1, and so on. And here return -1. That's an error. Okay, so 2 seconds. Generates a seed and populates the seed variable. Returns the float of the position in the noise map. Takes a float representing something from a noise map, which will be turned into a noise switch. So, float to biome with get Perlin noise. New vector 2. Get Perlin noise. Nope, this should actually be just with position, I guess. So now this is basically obsolete. And then the only thing I have left to do is in here, float biome, no int biome, private int biome. So there's actually public int biome, which get and set. No, I guess just and private public void set biome int biome. So switch on biome. So let's just say that we want to create 4 biomes at the moment. Case 1. Private renderer. So case 1. Renderer. Renderer dot material dot color equals color dot white. Break. Two, three, four. And then this would be like blue, green, yellow. Back to you. Oh. Whoops. So I guess I can just for now return noise divided by 4. Is actually noise times 4. And then just cast this into a integer. That would make it a 4% chance of each happening. So now it is time to first of all do this. They should have the tile script. Wait, so where's that found? On the tile. Oh, there. So, line 51. Oh. Don't let me drown. Serialized fields. And then here I have everything that I need to be serialized. Yes, I do. So the renderer is that one. This, that, and nope. Oh yeah, I gotta do tile.set biome with this. Okay, so this also needs the actual tile. Let's see if this works. Nope, doesn't. Of course it doesn't. Oh, I actually think I know why. Yeah, never generates the actual map. Okay, so will the actual map generation thing... Oh. Yeah. Yeah. This is a quite fun map, so to say. Uh, yeah, I know why this happened, but also they haven't changed color, which I don't understand. So it does set the biome thing. So quaternion identity should actually be angle axis. 90 degrees around vector 3 dot right. Right? This is the correct one. Okay. Yes. That is kind of correct. Except now my... Oh, this turned it pretty laggy. So now I guess I could actually, yeah. There we go. So now I need to figure out why this doesn't work. So set biome. I'm guessing it's the float to biome thing. Debug.log biome. And if I also debug.log fill in noise with position. Oh wait, now it's doing that 1000 times, isn't it? Yeah, it is. So that turned into 0. The problem is indeed here. So I think I'm turning this into an integer and then multiplying by 4, which is not what I want. I actually want to multiply by 4 and then turn it into an integer. That way it isn't 0 every time I multiply by 4. So now it might work. Might. Pay close attention to me saying might. Oh, wait. It's working! Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we got some sort of generation here. I do think, however, that the tiles feel kinda small compared to the character. Might want to reduce her size just slightly. Yeah, that worked. Not. I need to remove these debugs again. That's way too much spam. There we go. That just made it seem really zoomed out, which I guess it is, but... So if we take the main camera and maybe set the FOV to opposite direction 30, move him a bit further forward, a bit down, no, 7, 8, 3. No, it feels like he is kind of sliding on top of everything because he is moving too fast. What about if we... Feels more right, but not quite there yet. I think I wanna try this time that fixed time. Nope, that time scale equals 0.1 f. Ah. There you go. So what if I turn this up to 10? See, here it feels a lot more like he is sliding. What about 8? He slides like almost a full tile. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the stream for now. I'm gonna go live again tomorrow though at oh, should maybe have removed that small line. But yeah, I'm gonna live stream again tomorrow at first of all 1 o'clock. I'm gonna live stream some RuneScape, and then later at 8 o'clock again I'm gonna live stream some what was the name again? Game development of this game. So yeah, definitely tune into one of those two. I don't care which, as long as you tune into one of them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you all tomorrow, I guess. By the way, the times are in CEST, Central Europe Summer Time Zone, and if you cannot remember that, then it's in Danish time zone. Just to help you out a bit more, here's the time right now. So I guess, see you tomorrow. Bye!